Sorry about that. I ended up hitting the pause button and turned it off. That is just about it. I just wanted to show you the rest of what we were doing and the update. This is the back of the house here, and we're going to finish up the yard and get some things cleaned up, get the pool plastered. Hopefully it'll be plastered the end of this week. We're going to finish up the carpet on the inside, get the rest of it completed. So with the counters, they're going to be going in tomorrow, and the kitchen counters will be going in at the end of the week. And then I am off for about a week. I'm going to be heading away to Mexico with my sister, which will be nice. We're going to have a little cruise getaway for her birthday, so I won't be here, but I will try to get some updates sent to you this week so you guys can see some of the last updates before my little trip. And I wanted to show you just one little thing here. These are the shutters that are going on to the front of the house. So we got them painted, and these will be going on either side of the front windows, which will be nice. And I think that's just about it for today, but wanted to give you the last little tidbit and put it on to the rest of the video that I screwed up. Anyway, have a great rest of your day, and we will be chatting with you soon. Bye-bye.